fuck are you doing? The fuck is wrong with you? I have the stop sign. I didn't know. That's a big bike you got there, buddy. What the fuck are you doing? Why are you crossing on his right? She's shaking her head like it's his fault. What? I think, do you like my new steering wheel cover? What the fuck is this car doing? Dumbass. His trunk is open. Does he not know his trunk is open? How do you not know your trunk is open? Come on, move. Oh, fuck. Boy, what the fuck type of stopping was that? Why the fuck didn't he let him through? It's his turn. Bitch, fuck, man, stop. You just blatantly ran the red.
I don't understand the things I do.
Dude, you don't fucking run the stop sign. Oh my god, what a fucking dick. Come on. And we got, damn, dude. Oh, damn, they're such in the car.
In 600 feet. Turn right onto North Elskin Avenue.
Fuck.